In today's lecture, I want to talk about state machines. State machines can be very useful to write shorter and more concise contracts, both on-chain and off-chain. And there's support for state machines in the Plutus libraries that is higher level and builds on top of the lower level mechanisms we have seen so far. However, I should also mention that at the moment there is a certain overhead with using state machines. So if you write the same contract with a state machine, contrast to writing it without the state machine mechanism, then it will require more resources to run. And because of that, they haven't seen much use in practice yet. However, the Plutus team is permanently working on improving performance and optimizing the compiler, optimizing the interpreter, so we can expect state machines to be really useful in the near future. So it's certainly valuable to learn about them because they are conceptually very nice and they make writing on-chain and off-chain code that is in perfect sync much easier.